你好, welcome to 1 Minute Chinese. 1 minute a day makes your Chinese great. In this lesson, we will talk about the introduction to Chinese pronunciation, the final, N. When you see the English letter En in Pinyin, the pronunciation is N. It's close to the N in the English word token. Say N. When you pronounce N sound, first pronounce the Mandarin Chinese sound, like the sound used to express hesitation in English. Second, pronounce the nasal N sound. Gently touch the back of the upper front teeth with the tip of your tongue. Say N. Now mimic the mouth shape in the video carefully and repeat after it. N. N. N, N. Pronunciation exercise for N sound. Let's combine the initial F and the final N, also the high-pitched first tone, all together. F, N, fen. Repeat after me. F, N, fen, 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 fen. Fen is scent in Chinese. Let's combine the initial zh, the final n, and the high-pitched first tone all together. Zh, en, zhen. Repeat after me. Zh, en, zhen. Zhen, zhen, zhen. Zhen is injection needle in Chinese. Question. When you see the English letter en in Pinyin, how would you pronounce it? The answer is en. Are there any topics that you're interested in learning Chinese? Feel free to comment below. We're here to help. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and click the notification bell to get notified whenever we post a new video. 1 minute Chinese a day makes your Chinese great. Have a blessed day.